Hi everyone, today I want to show you how you can easily create an account in the MonsynApp. So here you can find information about the app, um, how you can use it, what features do we have, and also you can find the subscriptions, monthly, yearly, and forever. You can also see that we can try the Monsyn for 50 days for free. So you can just click this button and you will go to login and registration page. If you already have an account, you can just click login and log into your app. If you need to create a new account, you can create it here. So let's try to create a new account and check how it will create. You can select the language here, like this. I will select English and register. So registration was successful. You can now log in. And as we registered a new account, we need to do some setup. So we need to add currencies and accounts, at least one account to add to Monsyn, so we can track our finances. So the base currency we can also change, but I will not change. I want to have the base currency US dollar, so it will be the same. And additional currency you can add as much as you want. Like I will add 2 of them. I will add Ukrainian hryvnia and euros. So now you can see that you have here the section with the exchange rate. So we added the currencies. If you want to add one more or even more currencies, you can do it later in your account, so don't worry if you did not add at first. And also let's add some account. You can also edit here some, not only one account, but I will add one account just to show how it will go and how it will be created and seen on the dashboard. The name will be, so we can see here that we need to add the name to our account, currency, and group. The group can be cash, bank account, deposit, credit, and asset. I will add cash, and the account name will be my cash, let it be. And I can add here the currencies. You can see the currencies that I added here. So the 3 of them, we can add all of 3. I will add all of them. So I'm adding them, saving the account, and now you can see that we added one account, cash, the name is my cash, and we added the currencies, all of the currencies. Here you can also edit, you can add new account, but I will not edit it right now because I want just to register and add one account. So I click finish, and now I see my account in Monsyn. So we registered successfully, we logged in, and we added a new account. So this is the information that you need to add while you are registering. So this is how you can register to the MonsynApp and check the information in your dashboard.